Welcome to our latest Decor Ideas YouTube channel, where we are all about celebrating the beauty of creativity. In today's video, we are delving into the captivating world of textile art designs, from vibrant tapestries to intricate embroidery. We will explore a range of techniques that can turn fabric into mesmerizing masterpieces. Embroidery is an ancient art that transforms fabric into a canvas for intricate designs. We will showcase different types of embroidery, from traditional to contemporary, and demonstrate how to create stunning patterns using various stitches. Learn how to mix colors, textures, and patterns to bring your fabric to life. Textile painting is a dynamic way to add color and texture to fabrics. We will guide you through the process of creating a textile painting from scratch. Explore techniques like layering, blending, and stitching to create depth and dimension in your work. I hope this collection of textile art designs will be very helpful to decorate your walls, interior home decoration. So please subscribe our latest Decor Ideas YouTube channel and like this video. We will meet you in next video. Thank you for watching the complete video.